In this video we will discuss the effect of adding and removing heat from 1 pound of water. The heat will be measured in BTUs as indicated by the blue arrow on the bottom of the chart. The temperature will be measured in Fahrenheit on the thermometer to the left. Remember, 1 BTU is the amount of heat needed to change the temperature of 1 pound of water, 1 degree Fahrenheit. If we start with ice at 0 degrees, and we add or remove 1 BTU, the temperature will raise or fall 1 degree. It will take 32 BTUs added to the ice to raise the temperature of the ice from 0 to 32 degrees. And 32 BTUs of heat removed to lower the temperature of the ice from 32 to 0. This is known as sensible heat because a temperature difference is seen. Anytime a temperature change can be seen when heat is added to or removed from a substance, it is known as sensible heat. This only happens when the substance is all vapor, all liquid or all solid. Latent heat, on the other hand, is heat that is added to or removed from a substance in which no temperature change is seen. Latent comes from the Latin word for hidden. For instance, when you add 144 BTUs of heat to a 32-degree pound of ice, you get a 32-degree pound of water. If you remove 144 BTUs of heat from a 32-degree pound of water, you get a 32-degree pound of ice. This is known as the latent heat of fusion. The latent heat of vaporization is the 970 BTUs that it takes to turn that same pound of water at 212 degrees into its vapor form, steam, at 212 degrees. The 970 BTUs that must be removed to become a 212-degree liquid again is the latent heat of condensation. 212 degrees Fahrenheit is the boiling point, or saturation temperature of water at sea level, or 0 pounds per square inch gauge. Any heat added to a substance above its saturation temperature is known as superheat. Any heat removed from a substance below its saturation temperature is known as subcooling. 217 degree steam at 0 psi would have 5 degrees of superheat. 207 degree water would have 5 degrees of subcooling. Keep in mind that the saturation temperature of a substance changes at different pressures. If you raise the pressure of water to 10 psi, the boiling and condensing point is now 239.4 degrees. If you place water in a 10 inches of mercury vacuum, the saturation temperature is now 192.19 degrees.